later, but before we get out to celebrate, it is time once again for The Law and You. Here with us this morning, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, great to see you on the holiday weekend.
Greg Fellerman tradition. Every year he paints himself red, white, and blue.
I love the 4th.
That's coming up afternoon, so we'll give him a couple hours to get ready and answer the question first. And this one is from Harry in Montrose. Harry says, we thought that my mom was having a stroke and we took her to the ER. She had to wait over 5 hours in the ER and my mom keeps getting worse. She now has permanent problems. Is there anything that we can do? Where does Harry even begin here?
Yeah, you know, Harry, there is something you could do, in this particular case. Obviously, if your mom was having stroke-like symptoms, there's a medication called TPA that if it's given within a certain time period and it's less than 5 hours, it can almost reverse the effects of a stroke. And that's really what's called the standard of care. If somebody is having stroke symptoms. Now, there are some issues where you can't give that medication, but if your mom is in the ER and you're taking her there for a stroke and she's waiting for 5 hours, that's really unacceptable. You definitely have a potential case.
Yeah, and in this type of case, I think it's important to document your version of what occurred because, if you're sitting in an emergency room, no one's really, taking any notes down on your behalf. So whatever occurred, you may want to put those down into a writing. Then you're going to have to go get your medical records from the emergency room, and your version of the facts of what happened will be very important in, sustaining your burden to prove they violated the standard of care by leaving her out in the emergency room for that many hours.
All right, our viewers that want to talk to you, if there's a medical situation, they want to know if there's a case over, how can they reach you?
Yeah, we do a lot of medical malpractice, medical negligence work. So just give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
And we have a team of experts. Actually, one of our experts wrote the stroke protocol for the American Heart Association. So this is a case that we could get reviewed very quickly for you, get you an answer, really fast on it.
Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, thanks, Greg. Good luck with the painting expo.
Thank you very much. Excited.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always open.